In this tutorial, I want to show you how to connect your JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speaker to your Oppo Reno phone here. This here using the latest ColorOS 7. So let's get started. So we want to first go ahead and power on our JBL Clip 3, assuming we have some battery life in it, and the power button is located on this side over here. So go ahead and press this thing one time. You'll hear that tone sound play. And then you want to press the Bluetooth pairing button over here one time. So press it once. You'll hear this twice. When you hear that tone sound play twice, you'll also notice the white light over here is blinking in a very fast, rapid blinking light state. And that means the JBL Clip 3 is now in a pairing mode state. With that said and done, as always, we'll go into the main settings here of our Oppo phone. And under settings, you're going to go to where it says Bluetooth. Go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth settings. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see JBL Clip 3. And if you don't see it, chances are you may need to enable this feature up here. So we'll go to the two dots, Advanced Settings, and make sure Visible to Other Devices is currently enabled. This also helps for when connecting to a computer. So let's back out of that. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices again. Your Clip 3 should be in pairing mode. In the meantime, you'll see Clip 3 here show up. Tap on it one time. You'll get a pairing request like this. You'll feel your phone vibrate. Press pair. You'll hear that. When you hear that, that means it's fully connected, ready to use, and time to rock and roll. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.